Introducing the fascinating and profound world of zoology, a captivating and intricate field scattered with branches showcasing the wonders of nature, unraveling the secrets of life and its incredible diversity. Discover the astonishing realm of zoology, where you can embark on an enchanting journey, exploring the countless dimensions of the animal kingdom that will leave you enthralled, eager to further delve into its captivating mysteries. Dive into this riveting universe where you will witness the harmonious symphony of nature and science, connecting with the mesmerizing beauty and complexity of the animal world. Allow our exceptional products to accompany you on your exploration, providing unparalleled insights and expert knowledge to quench your curiosity. With our unparalleled selection of resources, you'll be equipped to embrace the captivating branches of zoology and embark on an adventure that will not only expand your understanding but also ignite a profound appreciation for the extraordinary wonders that encompass our planet. Reveal the awe-inspiring secrets and treasures hidden within the depths of zoology, as you uncover the intricacies of this vast and remarkable realm. Let our prestigious products introduce you to the hidden treasures of the animal kingdom, empowering you to witness the captivating wonders that lie within the world of zoology, and enhancing your appreciation for the intricate web of life that surrounds us.